Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening the Photos app and tapping Albums to find recently deleted. Recover any photos that remain there within 30 days of deletion. Next, open Settings and check iCloud Photos, sync status, and available iCloud storage. If iCloud is enabled, your photos might already exist in the cloud. Turn off cellular upload and stop taking new photos right away to avoid data overwrite. Consider enabling airplane mode while you plan recovery to minimize background writes to storage. Download a reputable iPhone recovery tool on your computer and install it. Connect the iPhone to the computer using a certified Lightning cable and trust the computer on the phone. Choose Device Scan Mode and allow the software to perform a full scan, which may take 10 to 45 minutes depending on used storage. Do not disconnect the phone during scanning or attempt other actions on the device. Save recovered photos to the computer and verify image integrity before transferring them back. If software recovery fails, immediately stop using the device and seek professional help. Contact Apple support first for account and iCloud issues that may resolve the problem. If hardware damage or deep deletion is suspected, consult a certified data recovery service for specialized tools. Understand that professional recovery costs commonly range from $0 to $00 based on severity and required procedures. Finally, after recovery, implement an automatic backup plan using iCloud or a computer to prevent future loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.